What? You don't know about still. Vlog world what? Well, we're in the dark right now. Well, are we in the dark now?
So we can celebrate.
Today is New Year's Eve, though you guys can barely see me in the dark. It's very dark.
Releasing dopamine.
Wagwan vlog world. Open a good and thing. Good morning. Or good day, I should say. And I'm there up on the ends now, vlog world. I'm here. Should out the sort out some things on the road. Pretty much. Yeah. Happy New Year again. Sorry, kind of freeze up this a while ago. Happy New Year. And big up on yourself and thing. Let's go up on the road to sort out some little business. You know what I mean? Kind of dress nice and thing. And I go and join with your boy. And so vlogger, I don't know if you know. Well, I never filmed that part, so, but pretty much what happened is I met a new friend. I'm a stylist. Is it? And she pretty much stood me up. And me a WhatsApp her. And me a call, phone call, I hang up because she was supposed to forward and chill, is it? And so feel a way still, I kind of vex still because my thing is this, me's a very cool youth. You see, if you not get for forward, just tell me, because I believe in a communication. I not have your answer. But me there I wonder, why you not do that, you see it? You have a reason for do that. And me's a youth, I not force things. And you know what I mean, she cool and thing. And you know what I mean, I say, yo, alright, I do this. I home to meet people and be friends, you know? Nothing wrong. Pretty much got stood up, bro. First time in my life. Not lie. Yeah, but I know a vlog girl. There. And big up my friend. You know you're probably a subscriber watch this right now. But you know, I want to share with my viewers and subscribers. Don't practice that thing there still, is it? But I'm not really there with the bag of emotional thing. Just I share one thing with you know, and I just go on journey there, boy. And I'm there, is it? I touch road. Whoop.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest for me shoulder, me and her can love.
In association with Sherry Sinus and Maki Sinus and Sinus presents a thing called Forward Over the Yard at Eolipa Pizza and food. The thing turn up. Games called Taboo. Special guest. Our special guest are there. Uncle Cedric. Eh? Sponsored by Smirnoff. You want to tell them that? Sherry Sinus says she don't want any wine, girl. That is a new. I've never heard that before in my entire life. If you don't know Sherry Sinus, she loves her wine. So, yeah. But we're there though. Hello, we're there. What is Sinus? Sherry Sinus. Say hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Bruh.
You know? Yeah! Vlog world, what going on? So today is Saturday. The first weekend in the year of 2020. And look in the sky. It's gonna rain. Enough rain with the Amici. We'll get something, but it's gonna rain. The sky black like me.
Bruh.
No, it's very black.
You know, I heard somebody said the other day.
What?
That boy they hard like life.
Damn, if somebody said that. A boy they hard like life. Damn. That's a different level of difficulty now. Yeah, friend not hard you mean. Rich man, you mean. Friend. But any vlogger there, I'll collect some things on the road. I'll go. Gonna have some fun with the family. Now sing the rest of it, I'm afraid. Every time that song they play on part, something bad always happen. But anyway, go and join with the boy We're gonna give ourselves enough trouble today. The adventure of Mackie and Sinus. Let's do this. Yeah? I'm going now because rain and fall. Whoop. Yo. Now wait. You're boy. That's how old are you there? What some guy? That bad Mackie. Vlog world, we just here vibing. Stays in the party. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk. I feel good. Yeah, you know what I mean? I'm only carried away by a liquid substances. Eat. There, my dad stream on my headphone broke. The turtle beats them broke, and then me kinda start feel sick. Me wonder if me I get back dengue. So me kinda get in a temper and broke. And just broke the headphone. Cause I really love the headphone, you know. I thought, yeah, just can't bother get back sick again. Cause I feel like me I get back sick on my throat and all them stuff there. Start trouble me and them things that me get vexed and kinda thump up the door and broke the door too. So, yeah. What a frustration. Yeah. So now when me a stream, I can't really talk to now. Until me get a new headphone. Well, it still work, but not there for hold on. Yo, 2020 does a start rough for man style. On top of everything else, you know what I mean? Yeah, I should not even know I'm vex for that girl. Anyhow, I go and hold the feet. I'm there. I'm gonna get back sick and thing, you know, cause I can't deal with that right, you know, is it? Cause carnival and them things that come up and you have a bag of things. You kinda get and buy and them stuff there. So I'm vexed though. But my phone and does everything around me. Anyway, I go and hold the faith vlog world. And I just go and journey with the boy as I say. I'm there, is it?
Releasing dopamine.